Good morning. Okay, I am having some students have some issues with number 9, so I wanted to kind of go through this one with y'all so you can kind of check your notes and make sure that you understand how to solve this one out. Okay, so when we are trying to solve for b with the subscript 2, that's right here. I've got to move things away from that. And so I've got to start on the outside and work my way back in. So the first thing I'm going to move is on the very outside. See how we're being multiplied by 1/2? To undo that, I have to multiply by the reciprocal. Remember, reciprocal means we take the fraction and we flip it. So that's like multiplying by 2/1, which is just 2. And so if I multiply one side by that, I have to multiply the other. So I get 2a equals, well, multiplying by the reciprocal gets rid of the 1/2. So I just have h times parentheses b1 plus b2. So again, we're still trying to solve for b2, and I'm just slowly undoing everything, starting at the outside and working my way in. So if I go to the outside now, I am multiplying the sum of b1 plus b2 by h. So since this is being multiplied, to undo that, the inverse operation is divide. So I'm going to divide this side by h. If I divide one side by h, I have to do the same thing for the other. So I'm left with 2a divided by h over here. That makes that cancel out, and I'm left with just b1 plus b2 over here. Again, still solving for b2, so I've got to get rid of b1. It's being added, so remember, inverse operation of adding is subtracting. So if I subtract b1 from this side, I have to subtract b1 from this side. So I have 2a divided by h minus b1, b1's gone, equals b2. And that would be your answer. And remember, you can always write it like that, or you can flip it around if you'd rather. And that's how you solve number 9.